Awning window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Salt Lake City Window Services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient awning windows that help reduce energy costs. Custom awning windows. Salt Lake City are available to fit any architectural style, providing both functionality and beauty. For those in need of awning window replacement in Salt Lake City, expert services are readily available. Whether it's residential awning windows in Utah or commercial awning windows in Salt Lake City, professional replacement services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Awning window replacement in Utah is also a viable option for those looking to upgrade their existing windows. Window contractors in Salt Lake City specialize in the installation of vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and wood awning windows. These materials offer different benefits, such as durability and aesthetic appeal, making them suitable for various applications. Awning window suppliers in Utah provide a wide selection of affordable awning windows to meet diverse needs. Modern awning windows. Salt Lake City, Utah are designed to complement contemporary architectural styles. Awning window design in Salt Lake City focuses on both form and function, ensuring that windows not only look great, but also perform well. Awning window maintenance in Utah is essential to prolong the lifespan of your windows and maintain their efficiency. Insulated awning windows in Salt Lake City are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Double-glazed awning windows in Utah provide additional insulation, reducing heat loss and noise pollution. Awning window experts in Salt Lake City can guide you in selecting the best options for your home. Awning window styles in Utah vary widely, offering something for every taste and preference. Awning window dimensions in Salt Lake City can be customized to fit any space, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Awning window hardware in Utah is available in various finishes and styles, allowing you to personalize your windows. The awning window installation cost in Salt Lake City is competitive, making it an affordable option for many homeowners. Awning window benefits in Utah include improved ventilation, natural light, and enhanced curb appeal. Salt Lake City Awning Window Services provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. Custom awning windows in Utah are tailored to meet specific requirements, ensuring a perfect match for your home's design. Residential awning windows in Utah offer a blend of style and functionality, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Commercial awning windows in Salt Lake City are designed to withstand the demands of high-traffic areas. Vinyl awning windows, Salt Lake City are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Aluminum awning windows in Utah offer a sleek, modern look, while wood awning windows in Salt Lake City provide a classic, timeless appeal. Awning window suppliers in Utah offer a wide range of options to suit any budget and style preference.